Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about paints company, which is still a small cap company, but has a very big runway for growth. That is Sirca Paints. So this is going to be a very interesting case study, and do watch this till the end. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the updates of all the notifications. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel using the link below in the description of this video. And stay away from fake Telegram channels in my name. So let's begin the analysis of Sirca Paints. So this is a crisp video where we'll discuss the business model of the company in brief. We'll look at the chart of the stock, how it has performed in the last 2-3 years. We'll discuss the main financial parameters, the reasons for the rise in the stock price, the outlook of the management going forward, what is the valuation at present, what are the risks of investing in the company, and we'll form a view about the stock. So Sirca Paints has an exclusive license agreement with an Italian company and uses the technology, know-how and the brand of that company in India and the neighboring countries like Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So earlier this company used to import and sell products, and now they have manufacturing facilities in India as well. So they have 2 manufacturing units. This company specializes in wooden, glass and metal coatings. So that's how it differentiates itself from other paint companies. And they have products ranging from economical as well as premium range. So it has carved a niche in the paints and coatings industry in spite of so much competition. So they have several brands, a couple of brands of that are Sirca and Unico. And recently they have added a new manufacturing facility which makes the manufacturing facilities to 2 in number. If you look at the revenue split, the company derives around 70% of the revenue from the retail sales or the distribution network of their own products. And they also supply to OEMs, so they manufacture on their behalf, and that generates about 30% of the revenue. If you look at the chart, it is a wonderful chart which everybody wants their stock in the portfolio to perform this way. It is a continuously rising chart in the last 3 to 4 years, and this is happening because there is consistency in performance by the company. In terms of revenue, the revenue has gone up from about 134 crores in FY20 to about 300 crores in the trailing 12 months. So it has more than doubled in the last 5 years. The EBITDA has gone up from about 30 crores to 66 crores. So this is also in line with the revenue growth. If you look at the margins, the company has maintained consistent EBITDA margins of somewhere around 23%. There was a dip in FY21 due to COVID. Otherwise, if you see, the margins are more or less very stable. So what led to this superior performance in the stock price? The consistency in the results of the company in terms of top line and bottom line and margins. And the company has carved out a niche in this industry. That is why the company's stock is getting higher multiples compared to the others. They have also ventured into manufacturing, come from a trading company. So they have set up their 2 manufacturing facilities in India. This sector, as you know, has been doing well as there is an infra boom in India. The economy is really doing well in the last 5 years, and it is expected to do well in the next decade also. It is a research driven company. They have also developed their own products. Roughly 20% of the people in Sirca, Italy work in research and development. So they keep developing new products, and based on that research, they launch exclusive products across the globe. What is the growth outlook which the management is giving forward? They have plans to export from Indian manufacturing facilities to Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bangladesh, which are the neighboring countries in India. If you look at their product portfolio, they have been expanding the number of products as well as they are also expanding the categories in which they are exposure to. By nature, the company has been working into the premium segment compared to the others, but they have also launched an economical range of products. They have launched a new brand called Oikos. So this is a high-end decorative solid as well as texture coatings brand. So in coatings itself, they have started a new line of products. They have also ventured into adhesives with a new brand called Durante Vivan. And in terms of distribution networks, they have more than 2,000 touch points presently, and they were further working to penetrate deeper into the Indian market as there is huge scope. These are some of the product ranges which they offer. So if you look at, they have an entry level product as well as economical range, and most of their products are into the luxury or the premium range. If you look at the valuations are more or less stable. The stock trades at somewhere around 30 to 50 P in the long term range, and it will continue to do so as long as the performance continues. So companies like this will not be available at a very cheap valuation as they are consistent compounders and performers. What are the risks of investing in the company if the entire infrastructure boom slows down? Not just this, the biggies of this sector like Asian Paints also will be impacted. This sector is getting highly competitive with other groups, bigger groups entering this sector with their own range of products. So we'll have to see how the company stays to be relevant in this competition. This license agreement with the Italian company, although it has been very long, still that is a major risk because there is a dependency of the Indian entity on the Italian company. And as the company is growing and is growing its distribution network, they are maintaining higher inventory. So they have to be efficient in managing their working capital. If at all they fail to do so, that could be one of the risk. So after understanding the business model, the growth plans of the company, their performance in the past few years, what is our view on the stock? Those who are already holding the stock should continue to hold, as they have the company continues to deliver good results. And if you are somebody who wants to buy the stock new, you should gradually accumulate, because this will not be available at a very cheap valuation as long as the company continues to perform well. Please note that this is only for educational purpose and we are not giving buy or sell recommendations for any stocks. So that's about Sirca Paints. I hope you like the crisp analysis. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want me to make more videos on your favorite stocks, don't forget to mention the names of the stocks in the comment section. Do join our Telegram channel using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.